Hey guys, so quick video how you can possibly fix and reset your Ariston dishwasher. So there are two things that you can try to do, because I don't know what kind of Ariston dishwasher you have. The first thing is that what you want to do is that you want to find a button, if you can find it on your dishwasher, that is going to say reset. So this is the first thing. I don't know what kind of dishwasher you have, but try to maybe just find a reset button there. And if you're not going to find it, then what you need to do, you can like completely reset it by unplugging it or like turning off the circuit breaker. So that's another thing that you can do, and it may help to fix the issue for you. So that's the thing that you can try to do.